Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to add a video from your iPhone or iPad camera roll straight into a Google Slides presentation. This is the full 2025 guide, and I promise by the end you'll be able to do it smoothly. Even though Google Slides doesn't let you upload videos directly from your device. Let's dive right in. Access Google Slides. First, open Safari or Chrome on your iPhone or iPad and head over to slides.google.com. Make sure you log in to the same Google account you'll use for the presentation. Double check that you're in the correct account to avoid permission issues later. Create or open your presentation. On the Google Slides home screen, either choose an existing presentation or tap the plus sign to start a brand new blank presentation. Once it's open, you're ready to get your video inserted. Here's the important part. Google Slides doesn't let you add a video directly from your iPhone or iPad camera roll. The trick is to first upload the video to Google Drive. Open the Google Drive app on your device. Tap the plus icon, choose Upload, and select the video from your camera roll. Wait for the upload to finish. After it's uploaded, tap the three dots next to the video, select Manage Access, and ensure the sharing is set so that anyone with the link can view. This is crucial so the video plays inside your slides without permission errors. Insert the video in Google Slides. Now go back to your Google Slides presentation in the browser. Tap the
Hello.
Insert menu at the top. Select Video. A new window will open. Choose the Google Drive tab. Find the video you just uploaded, select it, and tap Insert. Your video will now appear on the slide. You can drag to resize or move it anywhere you like. Preview and adjust. Tap
Hello
the video to see
everyone,
playback options
welcome
like
back to the
autoplay
channel.
or
In
mute.
today's video I
Make
will
sure it
show you
looks and
exactly
works
how
the
to
way you
buy
want
games on.
before presenting, and that's it. With this simple Drive workaround, you can add any camera roll video to Google Slides on your iPhone or iPad without headaches. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.